Welcome to this healing and relaxing yoga nidra practice with me today. My name is Felicia, and we're going to start by propping ourselves up with all the props we need to become comfortable, laying down onto our backs. Become warm, cover yourself with a blanket. Make sure that you're going to stay warm and comfortable for the duration of this practice. Before we begin, take a few minutes to become clear about your intention that you want to carry with you during this yoga nidra practice. Take a few moments to find an intention and to really get it clear and focused. Repeat it inwardly 3 times. This is a yoga nidra to reset your entire nervous system. You can imagine your peripheral nervous system and central nervous system like a computer. Now imagine you're going through all the browsers, tabs, and open windows, cleaning up, deleting old files and messages, and then restarting the whole system. So now let yourself settle into your warm and cozy yoga nidra nest, allowing yourself to become as comfortable as possible. Take the time you need to adjust pillows, blankets, knowing that it's worth the extra effort to get even 1% more comfortable right here. Allow your body to settle into the ground beneath you. Feel the support of the earth, and as you settle in deeper, take 2 deep breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. 2 more. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Allow yourself to fully arrive in the support of the earth. And now tune into the natural flow of air and breath waves without effort, already in your own rhythm. Allow your bones and tissues to become heavy. Allow the nervous system to begin to unwind. And allow your awareness to arrive deeply in this moment of profound rest. Let the mind settle into the waves of the breath. Each exhale releases any tissue that may be holding tension. Relax the jaw, soften the eyes, free the tongue. The whole body becomes heavy, shoulder blades spreading out on the floor, like water flowing in all directions over the earth. Now bring your awareness to your belly, gentle rising and falling. Imagine you are nestled here, protected from all external circumstances. In this moment of complete and total rest. Nothing to do, nowhere to go. The mind softens from the world of thinking, opening to the world of listening, sensing, feeling. Nothing else is required of you here. Notice the sounds around you and allow them to flow through you as if sounds could flow through your entire body like waves reaching the shore. Remember your intention, your Sankalpa. This intention is like drawing or pulling from the quiver of your heart with a direct connection. As you now tune into your heart center, notice any sensations lingering here on the altar of your heart, and welcome your Sankalpa. Welcome your intention. I rest deeply to support all layers of myself. I rest deeply to support all layers of myself. I rest deeply to connect deeply with all layers of myself. I rest deeply to connect deeply with all layers of myself. Let's begin our body scan. Follow my words. Bring your full attention to the tip of your tongue, to the roof of your mouth, to the inside of your right cheek, to the inside of your left cheek. Your attention rests on your lips, your teeth, your gums, the root of your tongue. Your attention moves to your entire jaw, the center of your throat, the hollow of your throat, right shoulder, right elbow, right wrist, the palm of your right hand, thumb, first finger, second, third, pinky finger, palm, wrist, elbow, right shoulder, heart center. Feel deeply into your heart. Left shoulder, left elbow, wrist, palm, thumb, first finger, second finger, third, pinky finger, palm, wrist, elbow, left shoulder, back to your heart center. Feel deeply into your heart again. Diaphragm, navel, lower belly, right hip bone, right knee, right ankle, heel, sole of the foot, top of the foot, toes, all 5 toes on your right foot, back to the sole of the foot, heel, ankle, knee, hip, heavy, dense, deeply resting the entire right leg. Back to your lower belly, left hip bone, left knee, ankle, heel, sole of the foot, top of the foot, toes, all 5 toes on your left foot, back to the sole of the foot, heel, ankle, knee, hip, heavy, dense, deeply resting the entire left leg, warm, still, deeply resting, sacrum, lower back, middle back, upper back, shoulder blades resting into the earth beneath you. The entire spine, the entire spine, the entire spine, and the back of the skull, the weight of the head sinking deeply into the earth. Release all tension in the face, in the forehead, in the jaw. Relax completely. The whole body, the whole body, the whole body rests on the earth. The whole body rests here, effortlessly and deeply supported. The natural flow of breath at the nostrils, the coolness of the breath on the inhale, the warmth of the breath on the exhale. Imagine that with every inhale, billions of cells breathe together. And with every exhale, billions of cells release. Everything breathes together in. Everything breathes together out simultaneously. Deeply resting with each inhale, filling with vitality, with each exhale, becoming even more relaxed. Radiant life force, pure presence, pure awareness. The body rests so deeply. Find complete stillness. Stillness in this black space behind the forehead, and observe what passes by. Watch without attachment to anything that drifts by. Be totally present, fully absorbed, checking to make sure you are still awake. Direct your attention to the center between your eyebrows and dive into the deepest place of relaxation. Dive into the deepest place of relaxation. Here there is nothing to do or to achieve. Be completely connected with yourself. Feel completely safe and at ease as you surrender to the power and protection of the presence. Feel it, experience it, be it. Surrender all fears, worries, and concerns about what you wish to change, control, and manage. Release all doing and replace it with trust and faith into your higher power. Release all doing and replace it with trust and faith into your higher power. Let your mind merge with the present moment and enter the sanctuary of stillness. Here your intention and affirmations are effortlessly realized with ease. Now repeat your intention 5 times, silently into the black space behind your third eye. Allow this intention to penetrate the deepest layers of your awareness without hesitation. It is now reality. You are speaking from your being. Have trust and faith that it has been heard and will be carried out by a source greater than yourself. Open your heart and feel the contentment and peace. Open your heart and feel the contentment and peace. Dissolve into a profound connection. Dissolve into a profound connection. Now you can gradually begin to move, as if waking from a deep and restful sleep. And allow yourself to flow back into your body. Clearly experience that you have a body, but you are not your body. And know clearly that you have a mind, but you are not your mind. Slowly, slowly, begin to move your toes and fingers. Begin to move your hands and feet. Bending your knees, you might roll over into a fetal position on one side. Continue to remain in this deep inner experience. The stillness, this home. Know that you can easily return here again and again. Slowly rise to a seated position. Thank you for allowing me to share what I have received. Bring your hands to your heart and bow your head down to your heart in a moment of gratitude. Om Bolo Shri Sadguru Bhagavan Ki Jai. Thank you so much for your practice. Have a deeply restful rest of your day, and I see you in the next one.